Welcome. In this episode, we're going to build part 5-46 Lubricator Eccentric for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-46L Lubricator Eccentric for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I've got no idea what that is, but let's find out. Open up part MMGS. Okay, let's go to front. Yeah, it works. Front. Well, circle, which is going to be there. And we might do another circle about there. That's going to be, our circle will be 19, no thread. This one will be 5 with thread. 5. And that's going to be center circles, center post circles, but it's going to be 5 mil up. And, that center point and center point make vertical. Why is it not fully defined? It is now. So that's that done. Okay, beautiful. So let's now go to, I can do this one mid-plane. That's going to be width of 12. And done. Okay, now we want a fillet of 1 mil around that edge and around that edge. Yeah. Yep, raise a 1. Yep. Done. There we go. Now we just need a thread going through there. Goes all the way through. So let's go to, doesn't matter which one really. Actually, let's go to top plane. Normal to sketch. We're going to do a center point. Actually, hold on. We want, actually, hold on. Whoops, stop. Yeah, there. We want center point of this hole. Ooh. Let's go to, oh, sorry, yeah, there, normal to, there we go. Let's go to there so we can see, because that's where we need that right there. Center line, we go from there to there. Yeah, it's going to be smart dimension from there to there. That was 5 mil, yep, so it's going to be 2.5. There we go. Done. Let's get out of that one. So it's in the middle of that circle. So what, reference plane, do the construction line and the endpoint. Okay. Click again to unhighlight it. Do another plane, endpoint and construction line. So you can go either direction. Okay. Now let's just go back to what's that called? Shaded with edges. There we go. Now we want to go hole wizard thread. That is 5, right? So I'll change that. Where is it? There's to 5. 5. Okay, 5. That's the only 5 we got. It's 52, 56, 56. And 5 then goes 6. Okay, that's how 5 we got. So we want the circle first. And then we go to, come on, thank you. One plane. Doesn't matter which one you do to. Come on, takes a while to click them for some reason. And okay. Oh, screw thread. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Goes 6 out. Let's hide that one. Hide the structure line and hide that one. There we go. Now, I could do one side through out, the other side through. I'm going to do this a little bit different. I'm going to go right plane, normal, sketch. We're going to do a, actually, not that one. Let me do a normal square. One there, one there. Let's make those 2, doesn't matter, I'm just doing this, just feel like it. That way I just got just one horizontal, there we go. Now, this point and that edge will join. This point and that edge, or you can do both edges if you want, but I find it easy that way. There we go, that covers both. Now we're going to go feature, extrude, cut, through all, and direction 2, and done. There we go, and the thread is in there. Looks like a padlock. I think there's a counterweight. I think this might be a counterweight. You put that one there, there we go. That it should be done. Hold on, let me just check something. It's 12, yep. I just had a funny feeling, did I do it 12 or not? I just look at the measurements there. Yeah, it was 12. That's 12 thick, 1 radius on the corners, 19 mil, 5 mil, and 5 from the center. That is that part done. You get a nice shot. Actually, looks good. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. This is part 5-46L, Lubricator Eccentric, done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.